Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss about the Kent Repertory, about the various editions of the Kent Repertory. First edition was published in 1897, and that was by Kent himself. At the time he was at Philadelphia. Second edition was published in 1908, and at that time Kent was at the Lancaster. 1924 the third edition came, which was published by the Etherhart at Chicago, and the fourth edition came in the 1935 in February and in Chicago by Clara Kent. Clara Kent was the second wife of the J.T. Kent. Fifth edition came in 1945, which was edited and revised by Clara Kent. And the sixth edition came in 1957 at Chicago. Indian edition of Kent Repertory came in 1961. Seventh edition came in 1974 by P.D. Schmidt and Diwan Harishchandra. There are total number of medicine in the book is 648, out of which 6 are the synonyms, so total number of medicines are 642. So now we will write down over here about the synonyms of the remedies present by the double name in the Kent Repertory, and these are the hippozanium, and the other name is for this one is Glandrin. This question is asked. The second one is Iliacum anisatum, and this is Anis stellatum. Third one is kaolin, and the other name is Alumina silicata. The fourth one is Lapa architum, and this is the other name for Lapa major. Next is Nux jugulicans, and that is Jugulinans regia. Sixth one is Pothos fetida, and this is the other name Ectodus fetida. So these were the 6 synonyms of the medicines available in the Kent Repertory, and the smallest chapter is the prostrate, and the largest chapter in the repertory is extremities. Hearing chapter has the lowest rubrics, number 4, and the mind has maximum rubrics 529, and somewhere answer is 527 too. And in the prostrate, maximum pages are covered by the extremities, and very less pages are taken by the prostrate chapter, which are only 16 in number. So this was all about the Kent Repertory and editions, and I have already given about the study of the single remedy given in the Kent Repertory, and the presence of various rubrics in a particular chapter are asked from the Kent repertory, and that I have given in the pictures on the Facebook page at the named by the Crack Homeopathy. You can go there and check over here. Thank you so much.